road tax to 50%. You see net result. Whatever I say came true. GST more than 4 times we got the desired figures. Road tax, even though road tax was 50%, it is more than what would have got at the same rate. So what does it show? It was a good move by the government. Our revenues have grown by 7%. But there is only one thing what I want to say. I am not going to extend this scheme because now it is Bharat 4 vehicles which are being sold. In the future, Bharat 6 vehicles will come from 1st April. As it is, companies are bound to give discount. Dealers have to give discount to the consumer, so they will get the benefit. So what sense does it make for me also to give further benefit in road tax? See, the whole exercise has been done at the behest of the NGT, including the High Court. My ministry, Panchayat Ministry, has told the National Green Tribunal that we will be taking steps to ensure that garbage is managed scientifically in all the panchayats. When new projects come up, when so much of garbage is going to be generated, if we don't take responsibility, then who will take responsibility? We are streamlining the process. Their objection is to one circular which had been issued. Now we are issuing guidelines for all applications to come at BDO level. We will scrutinize them. We will see that garbage maintenance is in place, garbage is maintained properly by the panchayat. Then we will send it back to the panchayat. We are not going to issue any license, whether it is occupancy or construction or of dwellings more than 4. We don't have any intention of taking away the powers of the panchayat. No power is being taken away. But definitely when NGT is sitting on our neck, when High Court is sitting on our neck, and it is the right thing to do to manage garbage scientifically, it's only because of that we have taken that particular step.